We've got a few switches we need to install into the Navara behind me. So today we're going to show you how to install our NP300 switch panels. One thing to take note of while fitting these is these two locking tabs are a different size. That's because the notches in the switch are different so that they're always facing upright. So you do just need to make sure that you fit this the correct way. So we're just going to remove the cup holder. We need to get to all the wiring plugs underneath to disconnect it. There's two plugs on this vehicle on the heated seat switches. That comes out. And then on the handbrake boot, there's two little clips so that we can slide the whole console over the handbrake. So we do need to pop the knob off the auto shifter. Obviously going to be different in manual vehicles. On the auto, this collar slides down. Then there's a little spring clip that faces the front. You need to just pop that out and it will wiggle off. We need to pull the back off the console here to get to the plugs to disconnect everything. It comes back and slightly up. Then we have two screws here and here. Now you can see the back of the console is ready to lift up. Using a trim tool, you just slide under the edge, pop the clips right around. I think there's about 8 of them roughly. And then you need to get in the front here and it comes back towards us. Note for auto cars that this is in neutral so that you can slide it over. And then we can get to these plugs under here. Disconnect all the wiring. So this loom is all connected under here through cable ties. You will need to either use a trim tool to get it out or a screwdriver. Some people might choose to cut it for ease. So if you do get this one out, you can just pull this whole little module out with the 3 screws. Save you having to break or cut the cable ties. And the shifter surround will come out. There's the 2 screws in here, hold the front of the console in. We're gonna lift the console out, the back comes up first. Getting it over the handbrake can be difficult. So what I do is lift that, slide it back a little bit. It allows the front to drop down some more. You just got to pick the boot as you go. All right, once you get it out, you can put the handbrake down. Then you just slide this back without scratching everything and out. Alrighty, so the easy part of this job is to remove these inserts and fit our switch panels. 2 screws on each one, and then the clip down here on the side. The easy way to fit the switch panel is clip it in, rotate it down around, make sure it's pushed up hard. That's why we got slotted holes here. And then fit your screws. And the other side. That's ready to assemble back into the car now. So it's as simple as just clicking the switches in. This car's actually off to the auto elect to get wired up. So you can just pull the shifter surround out and it's easy enough to wire everything from just in here.